If you want to record sounds on the Samsung Galaxy A57, then first of all we need to go to the Recorder app, which we can find in the Samsung folder in App Drawer, and it is located in here, at least by default of course. Now once we go to the Samsung folder and open the Recorder app, then in here we should be able to tap on this microphone button that we have at the bottom of the screen. And if you do this for the first time, you will need to grant certain permissions, of course, to be able to record the audio. Of course, in the meantime, we can also use these marks or bookmarks. Later on, you can go back to them once you play back the recording. You can pause the recording at any point and completely stop the recording at any point you want to. Once you stop the recording, you can set the name for the recording. You can also set a category, and then you can tap on save in order to, of course, keep your recording if you want to. Now over here, we can find our recording. We can tap on it in order to play it. We can also tap on this arrow in order to find additional options like our bookmarks over here that we have created. We can also skip silences, adjust the speed, and so on and so forth. Here in the upper right corner, we should be able to use this option in order to create a transcription. So yes, it is possible to transcribe voice recordings over here. There we go. And in addition to that, once you have the transcription, you can translate it as well by using the translation button in here at the top. You can choose the target language in here. Also, we can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner in order to find some additional options. You can still, I believe you can still adjust the speaker of it, I mean the transcription, although I'm not sure entirely. There we go, we can edit over here, and we should be able to just simply customize the transcription in case there are parts where it is incorrectly transcribed. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.